If you're bored at home and want to do some home DIYs, you've come to the right place because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you the best at-home DIYs for you to do. Stick to the end. Number 1, bottle into a lamp. This is a super cool one to make some amazing lamps with used bottles. First, cut the bottle in half and then using the top half, cut where the cap is as well. Starting where the cap is, start hot gluing a rope around the entirety of the bottle. Once you're done, cut off the excess, and you can now place a light bulb inside and hang it wherever you'd like. Number 2, skateboard shelves. You're first going to place your skateboard where you want the shelf to be and mark off where the holes in the skateboard are on the wall. Once you're done that, get 2 L brackets and place them where your markings are. When you're done that, you can place a screw into the holes on the L bracket to place through the skateboard to mount your shelf. You can also use the trucks from the skateboard as a coat hanger as well. Number 3, DIY pencil holder. For this one, you're going to need a glass cup and some rope. First, start hot gluing the rope onto itself using the cup as a shaper. Make sure not to hot glue the rope to the cup itself. Once you've made it as tall as you'd like, using the rope, make 2 triangles and once again hot glue it to itself. Once you're done, cut off the excess and take the cup out. Then get some small string, tie it in a bow, and glue it to the middle of your pencil holder. Cut the loops so that you can glue them down as whiskers and use a pink felt triangle to make the nose as well. You now have a really cute cat ear pencil holder. Number 4, DIY geometric small shelf. For this one, you're first going to start with a piece of paper and draw a hexagon onto it. Using some wooden dowels, first tape each of them to the sides of the hexagon and hot glue them together. Then get some more wooden dowels and place them upwards on each of the points of the hexagon. Finally, finish it with the same thing you did earlier, placing it on all of the lines of the hexagon. You can use some acrylic paint to paint over all of the wooden dowels the color of your choosing. Now, get a piece of cardboard and cut it at the same size of the bottom of your hexagon and cover it with construction paper. You can use hot glue to secure it. Place it at the bottom of the shelf you've just made and you can hang it up wherever you'd like. Number 5, adorable cork plant magnets. For this one, you're first going to get a cork and using a knife, hollow it out just like so. Then get small plants and some dirt and place them inside of the cork. Finally, get some super glue and a small magnet and attach it to the side of the cork, and you now have some really cute plant magnets. Number 6, realistic DIY donut phone case. First, get a plain colored phone case of your choosing. Then use some hot glue to first cover most of the top of it and then create some drips like so. Once it's all dry, you can first use some pink nail polish to color the bottom of it and some brown nail polish to cover the top of it. You can then add some sprinkles using some construction paper and you are all done with your amazing phone case. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!